So this is how you can make this kind of video. It's very simple. So let me show you how to do that. But don't forget to like and give me a follow. So you open CapCut, click on new video to import your recorded video. Now this is how you're going to record your video. Focus on doing something. So it could be anything. I prefer to sweep. Then you pretend to look at the top, assuming that something is coming. Then start making any style of your choice. Like this. Yes, so that's all that you need to do. Now let's start our editing. So you move the video to the part that you start making your first style. Like this. Then select the video, look for freeze. Click on it. Click on overlay. After the freezing part, step down like this. You hold and drag, but you need to make sure that where the white line is, they are of the same length. Like this. Now you still have to select the second part. Then look for remove BG. Click on it. And click on auto remover. Then click on this mark sign. The next thing is to bring the second clip to where the white line is. Then click on keyframe. Then you drag the second clip to the back. Then you move the picture to the top. Now you can play your video and see. Perfect. And that is the first step. Now the next step is to drag your clip to where you make the second style. Then look for freeze. Click on it. Now anytime you click on freeze, you realize that it takes a picture of it. Now you look for overlay. Click on it. It will bring the freezing part down. Now you hold and bring it down and drag it to the second clip. This way. Look for remove BG. Click on it. Click on auto remover. Then click on this mark sign. Now you move it to the beginning. Now the next thing is to shift it backward. Or you move it backward to this end. Then drag the picture up. Then you still play and see. Now the next step is to go to your fourth style. Then click on it and look for freeze. Click on it. Now anytime you click on freeze, you realize that it takes a picture form of it. So you now look for overlay and click on it. You realize that it has stepped down. The next thing is to hold, drag and bring it under the third clip. Now making it your fourth clip, select it and look for remove BG. Click on it. Click on auto remover. Now then you click on this mark sign. You bring it to this end and click on keyframe. Then you drag it to the backward to the end. Then try to move the picture upward. Afterward, you still play your video and see how it looks. And that is it. So keep on repeating the same procedure until you get to your last star that you did. And finally, you're going to have something like this. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more tutorials. See you in my next video.